They ask for your autograph. They cheer when they see you. They plead for a photograph. Who are they? They're your fans, and they mean so much. Some have been moved by your talent and skills. Many others would like to meet you and tell you just how much you mean to them. Now, there is a way. Night of Dreams is a one-of-a-kind entertainment opportunity that gives celebrities the chance to share an intimate evening with your most important audience, your fans. Unlike typical fan conventions, Night of Dreams brings you to your fans in the venue of your choice. That could be an evening of up to 100 people that includes a cocktail hour, dinner, photo op, tributes, and special guests. Or perhaps a smaller, intimate dinner for 20 is more to your liking. Whatever the setting, Night of Dreams will tailor the event just for you. We handle all marketing and publicity and any special needs that are required. We will work closely with you to make sure your event is designed exactly as you wish. Wynonna Judd once said, "I don't take my fans' love and dedication for granted." With the help of Night of Dreams, your fans will be able to express that love and dedication face to face. For more information on how you can work with Night of Dreams, contact Carolyn Peterson at nightofdreams.com or call 949-439-9504.